Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my Boxycharm month of April unboxing. This is the base box and we're going to be doing the premium box. So keep watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay guys, so we're going to look at this base box first. I got variation 31. Alright, first one we'll start with is Benefit Cosmetics. That's this one. So excited. I haven't tried this one before. I've gotten samples of the other one. Where is it at? I have this little sample of this one. And I love it. I absolutely love it. And so now I got the hydrating one. And it retails for $32. Awesome. Zovia eyeshadow palette. I actually chose this one. This was my choice. Rose Golden. So pretty. So pretty. This one, looks like I could use that for eyebrows. Cute. And the next one is Iconic London Illuminator. Ooh. The liquid drops. Oh, the palette was $28. It retails for $28. This palette. And the Iconic London Illuminator is $41. What shade is this in? Liquid shimmer can be added to foundation, primer, or moisturizer. So I'll just test it on my hand. Oh, wow. That is beautiful. Look at that. Look at how it shimmers. All the light it catches. So nice. Okay, I better stop. There. That one retails $41. Wow. That's a steal. Remember, this box is only, I think, $25. So that's a steal. Lavish 5-piece neon eye brush collection, which is this. They're really cute colors. I like it, like summery. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 brushes. Cruelty-free makeup brush collection that includes essential eye brushes you'll need to achieve an everyday and more dramatic look. Yeah. Eyebrow one, so it's a double-ended one. I love getting eyeshadow brushes. I feel like you can never have enough blending brushes for your eyeshadow, so I love that. Thank you, Boxycharm. And then the next one is Baddington Lashes. Arlo 3D Silk Lash with Mini Glue. This is it. It's nice. And a little glue, so that's convenient, you know. When you go traveling or something, you just take this like you're ready to go. $31 for this. Okay, so if we add it all up, the 5 items, $32 for the primer, $28 for the eyeshadow palette, $41 for the liquid illuminator, $29 for the lavish eye brush, $31 for the Baddington lashes with the glue in it. It winds up being $161.99, which is crazy good because you're only paying $25 for the whole box. So like every single thing you got in here paid for itself, and the average value that you'll get when you subscribe to Boxycharm is $120. So it's like more than $40 over what they're promising you already. I love Boxycharm. Love Boxycharm. Okay, now we're gonna open up our premium box. Got variation 35, Smashbox eyeshadow palette, which is this one. It's like magnetic, like it closes like magnetically. Always on gel eyeliner. Which color should I swatch? I'm really hearing this blue. Purple, let's do this. Colors, I don't know if you can see this one, it's like shimmering. Yeah, I like that a lot, very pretty. So the Smashbox eyeshadow palette retails for $45. This eyeshadow palette lets you play with shades of LA. It features 9 mattes and 7 shimmers inspired by the streets, sunset, and skylines of LA, plus a full-size eyeliner. Oh, what are the names? Oh yeah, Venice Peach. This one is Venice Peach. So cute, I like it a lot. Can't wait to play with that one. That was $45. Becca Luminous Blush. Oh, this is my choice. I don't think I have anything Becca, actually. So I'm really, oh, I love this case. That is nice. Ooh, oh, I like that. Oh, the Becca Luminous Blush is $34. Very nice. Lavido Age Away Replenishing Cream. Oh, how do they know I need this? Made with 11 innovated organic plant with anti-aging solutions as clinically proven to diminish the appearance of dryness, wrinkles, and rough texture while it deeply nourishes mature skin. And it retails at $69. Oh my gosh, that's expensive. The grapefruit seed, Melissa, and avocado. That's the good thing about having Boxycharm. You get to try out a lot of things. I probably would have never bought this because it's so expensive. Opulent Beauty. All these brushes. Retails for $40. Let's see. I guess they're face brushes, right? I feel like I could use this for like highlight. Maybe like to wipe away your bake. Like powders. Something. And I know a lot of people use these like flat ones for foundation, like to pack on your foundation. And that was $40. Juice Beauty. Feels like a soft lip balm to the touch. And this retails for $24. Wow. I like the color, I just don't, I'm more of a nude lip kind of girl. But Wonder Beauty Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara. One swipe is all you need for sky high lashes. Smudge proof, flake proof, and water resistant for all day wear. Oh, I like that. I like to wear waterproof underneath my on my lower lash line, and I do my eyebrows with that, so that's nice to hold my eyebrows in place. And this retails for $26. Let's see what the, very nice. Okay, so let's add them all up. Eyeshadow palette was $45. Blush, $34. Cream is $69. The 3 brushes were $40. Wow, that's kind of expensive for these. They don't feel very expensive. Lipstick was $24. Wonder Beauty mascara. There you go. Where did I put it? Oh, $26. And add that, all of that up, and it makes it $238. Which, wow. Because you're only paying $35 for this box. So that's awesome. The minimum value that they advertise this box for being is $175. So that's well over the $175. And it's 6 items that you get. So that's awesome. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed and found my my video informative. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Until next time. Bye-bye.